In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to recover or restore deleted post in Facebook. So I'm just going to my Facebook and going to my profile, and let's delete this reel video, for example. So I'm just tapping on delete. So whenever you delete something from your Facebook, those items will restore in Facebook trash folder for 30 days. So during 30 days, you can easily restore any of the deleted items. Let's see how to do it. So just go to your Facebook profile and tap on this three dot, and here just tap on this activity log icon. In here, you'll find this trash icon. Tap on that. Under trash, here you will find all of your recently deleted posts, including photos, status, videos, and reels. Now, to restore, you can just select one or multiple items that you want to restore. Once you select it, just tap on restore, and your selected items will be restored to your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching.